A very good morning to all. Today marks an auspicious occasion of anointing our role model. I, Cadet Gauri Shiraman, elated to announce the investiture ceremony of 2025-26, the ceremony that lends us dedication and responsibility, so that cadet gains a first-hand experience of what is to be a leader. Responsibility is a sea of accountability and boldness, both of the qualities which make a leader out of the cadet. Therefore, we at DCA strive to provide the cadets with an era of experience. I congratulate the selected cadet, wish them very good luck for their journey.
मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, हौसलों से उड़ान होते हैं। With these lines, I wish again a very cheerful and happy morning. I, Cadet Prithviraj Nalode, with my friend Cadet Aditya Pawar, welcome you on the occasion of investiture ceremony.
We are truly honored by your presence and we are thrilled to share this momentous occasion with you all. An investiture ceremony is a formal event during which students are bestowed with positions of authority and responsibility. The positions may include ACC, House CC, Laundry CC, Library CC, etc. with their respective VCCs. This ceremony signifies the confidence and reliance for the newly selected cadet captains with the badges provided to the cadets.
This ceremony is not just about providing titles, but about conferring responsibilities to the cadet to take charge of the school and take it to the height they desire with their leadership, decision-making skills, communication, and teamwork. Today, we congratulate the emerging leaders amongst us, those who have shown their dedication, resilience, and commitment.
The ceremony serves as a platform to acknowledge and celebrate the leadership and dedication of cadet captains. A leader is the one who knows the way, leads the way, and shows the way.
The motto of this ceremony is to create leaders for tomorrow. The ceremony is to badge the leaders of academic year 2025-26 who would be leading the curricular and co-curricular activities and work with the team effort and bring out new challenging events with all the success.
It's rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made year after year. It reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly selected cadets. Council members to continue the legacy and to kindle the leadership qualities in our young prodigies for the investiture is held.
The ceremony advances with the prime custom of bestowing badges on sashes. As it is said, perfection is not attainable, but when you chase perfection, you catch excellence. The reality of the council is reflected in their confidence and dedication to execute their work.
A lamp does not speak, it introduces itself through its lights. Achievers never expose themselves, but their achievement exposes them. We are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and ignition of thoughts and enlightenment.
As the lamp light continues to radiate throughout the day,
Please welcome first category, Laundry Cadet Captains.
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी, ऐसा जुनू है किसी में का। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े आंधियां मंजर है ये नया मंजर नया मंजर है ये नया कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां
I do hereby invest you with the rank of laundry cadet captains and charge you to honor the pledge you have just taken. Congratulations.
मंजर है ये नया मंजर नया मंजर है ये नया के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां
Please welcome next category, library cadet captains.
Salute! Down!
तपते थे रस्ते लोहे से बसते बसते
I cadet captain Parth Digambar Naik.
I cadet captain Arjuna Nikatkar.
I cadet captain Arabaman Nagane.
I cadet captain Mayuresh Ramesh Namdar.
Do hereby
Solemnly pledge that
solemnly pledge that
I will carry out the duties of library cadet captain
library cadet captain
faithfully, truthfully, and to the best of my abilities.
best of my abilities. Down! Salute! Down!
I do hereby invest you with the rank of library cadet captain and charge you to honor the pledge you have just taken. Congratulations.
मंजर नया मंजर है ये नया कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां मंजर है ये नया मंजर नया
Welcome next category, class cadet captains.
के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां
I do hereby invest you with the rank of class cadet captain and charge you to honor the pledge you have just taken. Congratulations all of you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की
Please welcome next category, class wise cadet captains.
अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
Please welcome next category, cultural cadet captains.
उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
The next category is Mess Cadet Captains.
संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव, विजयी भव, गगन कहे विजयी भव।
I do hereby invest you with the rank of Mess Cadet Captain and charge you to honor the pledge you have just taken. Congratulations.
Please welcome next category, Sports Cadet Captain.
है रात की सुरंग, भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी, गगन कहे विजयी भव।
Next category, House Cadet Captains.
Invest you with the rank of House Cadet Captain and charge you to honor the pledge you have just taken. Congratulations.
कहते थे लोग जो
Next category, House Vice Cadet Captains.
है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ, दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ, करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां, शाबाशियाँ।
Please welcome last category, Academic Cadet Captain and Academic Vice Cadet Captain.
शाबाशियाँ, शाबाशियाँ, शाबाशियाँ।
I do hereby invest you with the rank of Academy Cadet Captain and Academy Vice Cadet Captain, and charge you to honor the pledge you have just taken. Congratulations.
शाबाशियाँ, शाबाशियाँ।
A warm good morning and Jai Hind. I, Cadet Manas Mahindra Shinde, honor and humbled to convey the vote of thanks on behalf of our organizing committee of grade 11th and 5th to 11th cadet captains, who put up this spectacular event. Their support and mentorship is certainly leading us on the path of our leadership. I thank wholeheartedly respected Director Dr. Kedar Rane Sir, Chief Administrative Officer Mr. Uddhav Takle Sir, Principal Dr. Prashant Homkar Sir, Academic Officer Mr. Varde Sir, Academic Coordinator Ms. Jayanti Ma'am and Mrs. Vandana Patil Ma'am and Senior Warden Shinde Sir. Supervisor, HODs, all administrative staff and guiding us throughout while letting us learn from this collective efforts and depth to the people who stood tall behind the scenes are literally the beneath wings of each cadet at DCA. Last but not least, I would like to say thank you in such a prayer that can't be seen or touched. It must be felt by heart. Thank you for reposing faith in us. Thank you for giving such a wonderful head start. Thank you all.